Hi friends, I am Rajababu Rajak, a diploma mechanical engineer and an inventor and patentee in India of a sustainable technology. Here the patent number 532701, this is patent number, and application number 202231004421, patentee Rajababu Rajak. The title of invention: method of fluid force to mechanical rotational torque converter and speed torque developer with pusher slider pump compressor and control valve. Role of a diploma mechanical engineers for sustainable infrastructure towards sustainable future with invented patented technology in India, including energy efficient pusher slider compressor and pusher slider surface mounted pump and pusher slider submersible pump. Donate us to overcome early barriers for greener future, greener life and carbon credit. My parents educate me as best as their capability. I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering on 2016. As a diploma engineer, my limited knowledge, limited skill and limited resources but unlimited practices and hard work from my best that makes me capable to invent and patented the sustainable technology in India. My parents clean the clothes for their occupation as washermen and educate me, and for the reason I am able to clean the environment from carbon to reduce the emission of it by my invented patented technology in India. Fuel the sustainable technology to power the sustainable future. The effects come out from aspect of global warming that reveals the perception of sustainable development. Can we estimate about delay in sustainable technology implementation that affects how much on our daily life as cause of effects of environmental pollution? When I was started, it was a dream of mine. Now it is need of whole world. The problem about lack of technology, about energy efficiency and cost-effective operation in whole world. The solution is here for those widespread respective field. Is sustainable technology is a trend or optional or necessary for energy and cost saving purpose? What says the rules of physics and practices of engineering? Uses energy, cost savings per annum and carbon credit scale. Embracing energy efficiency for sustainable infrastructure and sustainable future. As we move towards a more sustainable future, embracing energy efficiency in every aspect of our operations is critical. Energy efficient pusher slider compressor and pusher slider surface mounted pump and pusher slider submersible pump represent a substantial step in this direction, offering not just environmental benefits but also considerable cost saving and oil free air water quality service. With a deeper understanding of the technologies, challenges and opportunities associated with energy efficient pusher slider compressor and pusher slider surface mounted pump and pusher slider submersible pump, business are better equipped to make informed decisions that align with their sustainability objective. It is clear that energy efficiency is not just a trend but a fundamental shift in how we think about and use resources. By choosing energy efficient pusher slider compressor and pusher slider surface mounted pump and pusher slider submersible pump, business can play a part in this global movement towards sustainable infrastructure and sustainable future, while also improving their bottom line and generate carbon credit potential through carbon ton emission reduction per specific energy consumption reduction respect to present stated baseline specific energy consumption through annual operation of sustainable infrastructure with this patented technology in India. The question should be how much is your compressor energy efficient rather than is your compressor energy efficient, or how much is your surface mounted pump energy efficient rather than is your surface mounted pump energy efficient, or how much is your submersible pump energy efficient rather than is your submersible pump energy efficient, or how much is your air conditioner energy efficient rather than is your air conditioner energy efficient. Regarding implementation of energy efficient technology in sense of sustainable development towards sustainable future in widespread sector. When we have option for walking and running to reach the destination on urgent basis, then we prefer running instead of walking to reach the destination as soon as fast, which saves our time and gives opportunity to take action as early as possible. Similarly, when we have available optional solution for same problem among which one have higher energy efficiency rate than baseline and another one have lower energy efficiency rate than baseline comparatively, then we prefer higher energy efficient and cost saving rate sustainable technology which is presented here as solution to those similar problem, and this presented invented technological scope improves the progressive efficiency of sustainable development goal as early as fast. One of the most important and critical problem, that is effects of global warming and environment pollution on our daily life. Somewhere short rainfall that cause lack of groundwater recharge which occurs groundwater level depletion and water scarcity, reduction in agricultural food production like major problem in vast area at present and in future. Somewhere heavy rainfall and changes in seasonal timing occurs heavy loss in agricultural food waste and shortage in food supply chain on the market at proper level. Last some years Last some year, all of us already faced the heat wave which occurs interruption in our daily work life, and again heavy loss in agricultural food waste and shortage in food supply chain on the market at proper level, and also there have a big question mark about effect of heat wave in future if sustainable technology is not implemented at proper level without delay in scheme. Taking the priority claim from Indian patent application number for this invented technology, and international patent application has filed through Patent Cooperation TT and international patent publication number WO 2023144840A1 and waiting for national page entry. You can search on Google as Google Patent and Rajababu Rajak in coming search bar, and then find WO 2023144840A1. Replication potential of this technology and impact on sustainable development goal. Energy efficient pusher slider compressor can replace the inefficient reciprocating and centrifugal compressor in air conditioner and can save energy and operating cost for your sustainable building. Energy efficient pusher slider submersible pump can replace inefficient centrifugal surface and submersible pump in your building for safe drinking water service and can save energy and operating cost for your sustainable building. Let's think compressor and submersible pump and surface mounted pump having large scale replication potential and energy operating cost savings and carbon emission reduction to clean the air. Some of those potential uses energy cost savings potential per annum and carbon credit generate potential to take effective role in sustainable development. Uses embracing energy efficiency for sustainable infrastructure and sustainable future. Part 1. Energy efficient pusher slider compressor. Replace stated in operation inefficient multiple numbers compressor by single number efficient energy efficient pusher slider compressor only with keeping stated motor continue in operation and get technological benefit with sustainable energy efficient operation including reduction in specific power consumption by 50% respect to reciprocating compressor. Replacement of multiple compressor with one compressor having higher discharge volume of fluid at higher pressure head raising. Reduction in maintenance cost and breakdown time by 50%. Lowest noise and vibration working environment. Oil-free air discharge. Design operating pressure range 1 to 90 bar at shaft input power range 7.27 kW to 655 kW with higher volume fluid discharge at 10 times factor of safety. Compressor discharge volume 147.26 CFM when pusher slider compressor works 24 hours per day and 300 day per annum. It consumes energy per annum for input at compressor shaft 52344 kilowatt hour to 4716000 kilowatt hour and having energy savings potential per annum 26172 kilowatt hour to 2358000 kilowatt hour based on reduction in specific power consumption by 50% respect to reciprocating compressor and having cost saving potential per annum based on unit cost INR 8 per kilowatt hour. So cost savings 209376 to INR 18864000 and having carbon credit potential per annum based on considering 54000 kilowatt hour saves 41 ton carbon dioxide emission is equal 19.86 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction to 1790.33 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction. The stated design pusher slider compressor having large scale replication potential on basis of prepaid service and maintenance contract period in years with only compressor unit keeping stated motor in operation or compressor and motor unit at PET sector, aluminium, cement, fertilizer, iron and steel, pulp and paper, textile, thermal power plant, oil and gas, refinery, petrochemical, flare gas recovery, MSME cluster, cold storage, ice making refrigeration plant, vegetable and fruit storage, fish and meat storage, pharma medicine storage, fishing, biofloc, chiller, HVAC compressor, energy efficient air conditioning in building and office and hotel in industry. Beverage and food processing industry, lightweight and compact size which is best suitable for transport sector such aerospace, shipping and railway for higher pressure head and higher volume discharge. Industrial air cooler and industrial automation and construction, gas and bio-CNG and hydrogen compressor, the widespread area for application for energy efficient pusher slider compressor. 1B. Energy efficient pusher slider surface mounted pump. Replace stated in operation inefficient multiple number surface mounted pump by single number energy efficient pusher slider pump only with keeping stated motor continue in operation and get technological benefit with sustainable energy efficient operating include reduction in specific power consumption by 50% respect to reciprocating pump and 30% respect to centrifugal pump. Replacement of multiple pump with one pump having higher discharge volume of fluid at higher pressure head raising. Reduction in maintenance cost and breakdown time by 50%. Lowest noise and vibration working environment. Zero contamination water discharge. Stated design operating pressure range 1 to 90 bar. Accept input power range 7.27 kW to 655 kW with higher volume fluid discharge at 10 times factor of safety. Maximum water lifting head of pusher slider surface mounted pump is 964 meter and discharge volume 250074 liter per hour. When pusher slider surface mounted pump works 24 hours per day and 300 days per annum, it consumes energy per annum for input at surface mounted pump shaft 52344 kWh to 4716000 kWh and having energy savings potential per annum 26172 kWh to 2358000 kWh based on reduction in specific power consumption by 50% respect to reciprocating pump and having cost saving potential per annum based on unit cost INR 8 per kWh, INR 2093762, INR 188644000 and having carbon credit potential per annum based on considering 54000 kWh saves 41 tons carbon dioxide emission is equal 19.86 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction to 1790.33 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction. The stated design pusher slider surface mounted pump having large scale replication potential on basis of prepaid service and maintenance contract period in years with only surface mounted pump unit keeping stated motor in operation or surface mounted pump and motor unit at PET sector aluminum cement fertilizer iron steel pulp and paper textile thermal power plant oil and gas refinery petrochemical MSME cluster cold storage unit such as ice making refrigeration plant, vegetable and fruit storage, fish and meat storage, pharma medicine storage, fishing biofloc chiller, HVAC pump, surface mounted pump, energy efficient air conditioning in building and office and hotel and industry, beverage and food processing industry, construction cooling tower pump, dairy, lightweight and compact size which is best suitable for transport sector such shipping and railway for higher pressure head and higher volume discharge, sewage wastewater treatment and industrial wastewater treatment plant and suitable building, hospital, municipality water service network. And this is widespread application area of energy efficient pusher slider surface mounted pump. Next one see energy efficient pusher slider submersible pump. Replace stated in operation inefficient multiple number submersible pump by single number energy efficient pusher slider submersible pump only with keeping stated motor continue in operation and get technological benefit with sustainable energy efficient operation including reduction in specific power consumption by 30% respect to centrifugal submersible pump, replacement of multiple pump with one pump having higher discharge volume of fluid at higher pressure head raising, reduction in maintenance cost and breakdown time by 50%, stainless steel grade 304 forged part of pump, contamination free quality water supply, stated design operating pressure range 1 to 90 bar with higher volume fluid discharge at 10 times factor safety, maximum water lifting head of pusher slider submersible pump is 964 meter and discharge volume 4167.9 liter per minute. Ranges of submersible motor capacity 5.5 kW to 18.5 kW and considering 88% efficiency of stated submersible motor, output power ranges 4.84 kW to 16.28 kW at shaft of pusher slider submersible pump. When pusher slider submersible pump average works 8 hours per day and 300 day per annum, it consumes energy per annum for input at submersible pump shaft 11616 kilowatt hour to 39072 kilowatt hour and having energy savings potential per annum 3484.8 kilowatt hour to 11721.6 kilowatt hour based on reduction in specific power consumption by 30% respect to centrifugal submersible pump and having cost saving potential per annum based on unit cost INR 8 per kilowatt hour is equal to INR 278782 INR 93772 and having carbon credit potential per annum based on considering 54000 kilowatt hour saves 41 tons carbon dioxide emission is equal to 2.64 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction to 8.89 ton carbon dioxide emission reduction. The stated designed pusher slider submersible pump having large scale application potential on basis of prepaid service and maintenance contract period in years with only submersible pump unit keeping stated motor in operation or submersible pump and motor unit at water service scheme in urban and rural municipality, hospital, commercial building and office in large scale which have large scale energy consumption reduction with carbon credit potential. Products excellent standards, features and energy efficient service with free maintenance and replacement, cost effective energy and water efficient agri irrigation water service at hourly rate basis or monthly or seasonal crop prepaid basis. Reduction in specific energy consumption replace multiple numbers in efficient submersible pump with only single efficient submersible pump installed. Reduction in specific carbon emission in pump efficiency and eliminate grid transmission loss, conventional power production by decentralized agro residue biomass and cow dung biogas of grid power. Climate change and penalty for below measured energy savings potential and benefit for government scheme with subsidy for energy savings potential increase the market potential of this product. The inefficient submersible pump and costly rate basis water service still are using in agri irrigation water service in large scale agri field. The inefficient submersible pump still are using in water service scheme in urban and rural municipality, hospital, commercial building office in large scale which have large scale energy consumption reduction with carbon credit potential. So this product have large scale replication potential. Working principle of energy efficient pusher slider compressor and pusher slider surface mounted pump. Pusher slider submersible pump with high